How to enable standby mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Standby. As you can see, the standby mode is currently disabled. If you want to enable it, then turn on the feature as shown. Standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames, or clocks. You can now view and manage the standby settings on this page. Using the same steps, you can also disable it whenever you want. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily enable standby mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.